Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just did this whole star and realized I wasn't even recording. How stupid am I? Okay, so today guys, even though I've started this, I am going to show you how to create a holiday shirt using printout stars from the internet. I just printed these stars out because I suck at drawing. I printed these out, cut them out, and I have this paint here. It is the Tulip Metallics fabric paint. Also, this white t-shirt, it is long sleeve. This is my daughter's size. I have a pencil because I'm using the eraser, and I have this like toilet paper roll that I'm using to just blot my paint on. And I had this just in case I needed it, but the paint is not seeping through here. So before we get started, I just want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel if you are subscribed. Also, I want to thank you all for entering the giveaway. Those of you who have entered the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel and comment on that giveaway video below, and you're automatically entered into the contest. So before we get into the video, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you like this video. Also, make sure you have your bell notifications turned on so you get notified every time I upload a video. And also be sure to be following me on Instagram because I post things that you may not see anywhere else. So let's get into it. So it is showing you guys before what I thought I was recording was how to go about this. Now, if you have one of those paint brushes that have circles, that will work as well. I don't, so I'm just using the pencil here, and I'm just placing the fabric paint all around the stars so I could get the shape. And it doesn't have to be perfect, obviously, because you are creating this, you're doing this yourself, so it's not going to be perfect. Everything is not going to be symmetrical, so don't worry about that aspect of it. I love doing handmade things because it doesn't look like something you buy from the store. You know, it has your own unique flair and touch to it. So that's kind of what I was doing, and I added a little extra to just kind of spread the star out a little bit. But that's basically what I did for this one. And you can add different colors if you like. You just don't have to use one main color like I'm doing. Okay guys, so my tiny ones didn't quite form a star, so I'm going to go in behind and do a little something extra. So I'm going to try to place this how it was. There we go. So I'm going to take this because this has a fine tip. So I'm going to take this tip and I'm only doing this for my little ones because I kind of like the way it turned out for the other ones. Just to kind of form so you know that this shape is a star. So there we have that. Now we're going to try to lift this up without messing it up. So there we go. So now we have the shape of the star. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, so this is the start of our holiday clothing tutorials. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like it. This was really quick, really simple, really easy. All you needed was some metallic paint or any kind of fabric paint. You can also use acrylic paint if you choose. I wanted to use fabric paint so that when I wash it, it will stay on the shirt. I'm using a white shirt. You can use any other color that you like, any other style. Like I said, you don't have to use stars, but I thought this was really cute. You can also print this out with your silhouette. If you want me to show you how to do that, please comment below and let me know that, and I could show you. It would probably be a similar process if you're using a Cricut. So if you are not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also, make sure to give me a big old thumbs up so I know what kind of videos you like. If you are interested in entering the giveaway, you can go ahead and do that. That was actually my last video that I did, so you can check that out. That giveaway will be ending December 14th. And I will be choosing the winner for that giveaway a few days after the 14th. So if you want to get in on it, get on it now. And all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel and leave a comment below. Again, make sure you have your bell notifications turned on so you get notified every time I upload a video. Also, if you would like to follow me on my social media, all of that is linked below. Also, if you are interested in wanting to add a very festive bow to your shirt, these are just some of my holiday bows that I have created, which are available on my website, and that is linked in the description as well. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!